Using system and role prompts is one of the most powerful ways to guide AI behavior and produce consistent, high-quality results. These prompts give structure and personality to the AI's responses, allowing you to control tone, perspective, and depth with precision. Let's start with the concept of system prompts. A system prompt is like setting the rules of engagement before a conversation begins. It defines how the AI should think and respond throughout your interaction. For example, if you write, "You are a supportive teacher helping a beginner learn AI concepts," you're telling the model what mindset to adopt. Every response that follows will stay aligned with that framework. This creates coherence, focus, and tone consistency. System prompts are especially useful for long projects like course creation or brand storytelling, where you need the AI to maintain a certain personality across multiple outputs. They act as the foundation, setting the stage for everything that follows. Next, we have role prompts, which build on the system prompt idea by assigning the AI a specific role or persona. When you tell the AI to act as a business coach, act as a travel guide, or act as a content strategist, you're not just labeling it. You're activating a mindset. The AI uses that perspective to shape its language, structure, and reasoning. For example, if you ask, "Explain machine learning," the answer might sound academic. But if you say, "Act as a high school teacher explaining machine learning to teenagers," the AI automatically simplifies concepts, adds analogies, and uses friendlier language. The difference is massive because you've defined who is speaking. Role prompts work beautifully across industries. In education, you can say, "Act as a history professor summarizing the causes of World War I." In marketing, act as a social media strategist writing captions for a sustainable fashion brand. In leadership, act as an executive coach helping a manager navigate conflict. These personas bring expertise and tone alignment that make responses feel human and relevant. Combining system and role prompts takes your prompting to the next level. You might begin with a system prompt that defines overall behavior. You are an empathetic communication coach focused on clarity and confidence. Then add a role prompt for a specific task. Now act as a workshop facilitator, creating an outline for a public speaking class. Together, these create depth and structure in the AI's reasoning. Another advanced approach is using multi-role prompting for complex tasks. You can have the AI switch between perspectives to improve results. For example, act as both a UX designer and a customer reviewing an app. Provide feedback from each perspective. This creates multi-dimensional insights that go beyond a single viewpoint. When writing system or role prompts, clarity is key. Clearly state the AI's purpose, audience, tone, and task. The more you define up front, the less editing you'll need later. Also, avoid conflicting instructions, like asking the AI to be both humorous and strictly formal at the same time. The real advantage of system and role prompts is consistency. Instead of rewriting the same directions over and over, you can save these prompts as templates. Use them to build brand voice, instructional tone, or professional expertise, all customized to your needs. In short, system prompts define how the AI thinks, while role prompts define who it is. Mastering both gives you precision, personality, and control in every interaction. Whether you're teaching, creating, or leading, these techniques turn AI into a consistent collaborator that truly speaks your language.